Today's my day off and I wanted to go out and get my car washed because I was actually kind of feeling today and didn't really want to do anything, didn't want to shower or anything, but I decided to get up because I felt myself spiraling. Whenever I catch myself doing that, I have to get up. I have to do something that will make me feel alive, accomplished, you know? And I know there's a lot going on in the world and a lot of people probably feel that way. So I thought I would share how I was feeling today. And I wanted to let you know that I feel the pain like most people do right now, especially with everything that's going on with the Trump regime and the way they are handling American people's lives right now. It is honestly affecting people in ways that I don't think anybody seen coming. And I think everybody is affected by it. Nobody is exempt from how this administration is going to affect your life in one way or another, all the way for generations to come. With that being said, I need to get by day to day without losing my mind, and I want to stay hopeful for the future. I don't want to be angry, bitter, hateful, because if I let it will turn me into that, and I don't want to get to that point. So today I just decided to go ahead and move on with my day, get off of social media. Went on ahead and showered, which felt amazing, and got out. After I took my son to school, I went on ahead and washed my car. I find these little things helpful when I'm cleaning or moving my body, getting some sunlight like I am now, which is even just 5-10 minutes of sunlight really makes a difference for me. And I don't want to turn a blind eye to what's going on, knowing that it does affect our lives, but I also don't want to be consumed by it. And I think that's what I'm trying to do today, is find the balance. But other than that, I am getting some rest today. I'm gonna definitely recoup for the week. I have a lot of jobs coming up, and I do house cleaning, professional cleaning, commercial cleaning, and so I'll be doing a lot of this, which I think has been helping me lately too, because it's not a very stressful job, but it's a demanding job physically, but I'm able to feel accomplished by the end of that job and know that I'm doing something to help somebody, make their space better. And so with that, I think that helps me get by day to day. And it's a way to provide for my family, which I'm very grateful for, because jobs are not easy to come by. It was really hard to get this job even. So yeah, just drying everything off. And I have a little hack I like to do to kind of speed up the process. I get that little blower and I blow as much out as possible, and it really does speed up the time. But yeah, just taking the time to get everything dry first. Wipe down, wipe the inside. Alright, here's my little handy dandy blower. We're gonna get it going. I'll pick up the trash afterwards if any falls out. Gather all this trash back here that accumulated. When you have kids, they cannot find the trash can for some reason. Time to vacuum, but I'm not seeing much suction going on here. Yeah, my floorboards are tore up. I was in a muddy area for work, and oof. That doesn't work, so I'm not vacuuming today. We'll do that another day. Still looks clean. I'm happy. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys are doing good. Talk to you soon.